Hello everybody, welcome to this video where we will take a look at one other Mass Effect ship, and this will be the original Normandy SR1. So in the past I already made SR2 because frankly that's my preferred ship, but yeah, now we will take a look at SR1. So without further ado, let's go straight into Creo. And here we are, and this is my version of the SR1 Normandy. So as you can see on the first glance, we have the same stand as we have for the SR2, so it's identical. So for now, I will simply get rid of it, and we will focus on the ship itself. The ship is done in scale with my SR2 model, so when put together, the ships are in proper scale. Um, Other than that, this is basically a static model. Basically, only work for a display. Yeah, there are no features and nothing like that. It's a kit, so you shouldn't need any glue, and most of the stuff is printed in color. Yeah, I had to paint few things. I had to paint here this black piece and this black triangle, and I had to paint this black piece. Also theoretically this one, but in the end I decided to leave it white on my print. Yeah. All the other thing is printed in color. Yeah, so there's that. Yeah, of course here we have a port for the stand, and yeah. Okay, there's nothing really much more when it comes to the showcase, so I guess we should go straight to showing how to actually assemble it. So we start with this piece, and here to those holes, those are standard 10 millimeter holes. We will put the pins or the pegs, and we will insert the second half like this. Now here to this peg and to this opening we will insert this white piece, and now the engines. As you can see here we have a peg on both sides, and the engines have the corresponding hole, so you will simply slide them, and that's it. Now here, as you can see here, we have a locking mechanism on both sides. Yeah, so here you will slide this front, and on the back you will slide this back. Yeah, this, as you can see, is protruding, and that is because another piece which goes to this continuing lock and to those pegs. So basically we have this piece, yeah, it will be inserted then, and it has the corresponding holes. So yeah, like that, and on the other side you will put the second part like that, and yeah, it holds together. And now here to these openings on both sides you will insert these four pieces which are printed in red so that they create the red stripes. And now here to this opening with the small peg you will insert the name tag. Yeah, it is inserted so that you can print it in color, and yeah, you don't have to paint anything. Now here to this spec you will simply sorry, now here to this uh, not sure how to call it, not a pack, you will insert this white piece which has a groove, so it will snap there, and then here to this pack you will insert the front like that. And as you can see, the front has also this opening, so you will insert the red stripes there as well. Yeah, and you have that. Yeah, and now here to this opening you will insert the this piece like that, and now basically here you can snap here, and to those pegs you can snap this piece and this piece, and they will hold in place by friction here on that peg and here around this piece. And now here, as you can see, here we have a locking mechanism, and into that you will simply put these two pieces. Yeah, they have the corresponding holes for the locks, so you will put them there, and then you will insert these pieces, which will simply go through the hole. Yeah, obviously first it's better to first insert them to those pieces together with the engines, which have well, peg which goes to the corresponding hole, and once the entire assembly is done, then to put it here to the lock. Yeah, it's way easier that way. Yeah, and then to all four holes you will simply insert these engine pieces. They are identical as the ones on the SR2. And that's it. And that's it. That's the SR1 done, and of course then the stand. So that's the assembly, and now we will take a look at the actual print. And here we are with the Normandy fully built, or printed, let's say. Yeah, I would say it turned out as I wanted. Yeah, it works. Yeah, it's a static model, so there is basically nothing you can do with it other than display it, or maybe wash it. I don't know. But yeah, um, the assembly was relatively straightforward, so yeah, everything snapped together and yeah, held in place quite nicely. So yeah, I'm not sure what else to say. So I will show it from different angles. Yeah, so here you can see it from the bottom. Yeah, I'm not sure if that is that interesting, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's the Normandy SR1, and yeah, it was a very quick build. I actually started yesterday afternoon around 1 p.m. and I finished it before midnight. So yeah, hopefully you liked it, and yeah, we will see each other in the next video. What that will be, I have no idea. Okay, then have a very nice day, and I wish you all the best and a happy new year 2025. Okay, bye bye.